Hey there! Welcome to Joget tutorial series. In this video, we're going to learn how to use Default Form Options Binder. The Default Form Options Binder allows for rows of data to be retrieved from an existing form data, to be used as options in form elements such as drop-down select box, radio button, or checkbox. Now let's take a look at this example. We have manage floors that contain data, and we want this data to be displayed as options in manage rooms. Okay, let's begin. First, log in using the administrator account. The default admin user's username and password are both admin. Once we've logged in, let's take a look at the Manage Floors form by clicking on the menu and then click on Edit. Click on the admin bar. Ensure Quick Edit mode is turned on. Then, click on the green highlight that begins with the word Form. In this case, it's Form Floors. Click on it to open it up in the Form Builder. As you can see, this form consists of only one field element. If you wish to follow this tutorial, you can start by creating this form and generate a CRUD for this form. To learn how to build a CRUD, take a look at how to create a CRUD via the App Generator video. Now let's continue. Edit the properties of the text field. Take note of the ID of the text field. It's set to name. We'll need this information when we use the Default Form Options Binder later. Okay, let's close this form builder and head over to Manage Rooms on runtime. Click the New button. Then, click on the green highlight that begins with the word Form. In this case, it's Form Rooms. Click on it to open it up in the Form Builder. In this form, there are two fields, one for the name of the room, and the other is a select box that determines which floor the room is located. We'll need the selection to dynamically populate the data, based on what is keyed in Manage Floors. You can create this form and generate its CRUD. Just make sure that the table name for this form is different from the Manage Floors. Edit the properties of the select box. For Options Binder, select the Default Form Options Binder. Go to the next page, and select Floors for the form field. That's the name of the form of Manage Floors. In the Label column field, select Name. This is the text field ID from the Floors form. By selecting Name, the selection will populate the data by displaying whatever the user keyed in the Name field, instead of the ID of the form. Click on the OK button. Click on Preview to see how it'll look like in runtime. Looks good. Alright, close the Preview tab and click on Save. Close the Form Builder and let's refresh the page. Let's add a new record. Oh no. Looks like the floor column showing the ID of the floor instead of the label. We'll have to fix that. We'll use the same options binder to reflect the option chosen in the data list for the floor column. Ensure Quick Edit mode is turned on. Then, click on the green highlight that begins with the word List. In this case, it's List Rooms. Click on it to open it up in the Data List Builder. Let's remove the ID column and readjust the columns to make it more pleasant to look at. Next, edit the floor column properties. Click on Formatter and select Options Value Formatter. Click Next to configure Options Value Formatter. Choose Default Form Options Binder from the Options Binder field. Go to the next page, and select Floors for the form field. In the Label column field, select Name. Click on the OK button. Click on Preview to see how it'll look like in runtime. Looks good. Alright, close the Preview tab and click on Save. Close the data list builder and let's refresh the page. Good job! We are done with this tutorial. Thanks for watching.